Welcome back to the Hiker Grove. Today we're out doing a trek. We're going to go up a place called Dragon's Back, which is lovely, and we'll get to see some good sights. I'm out on my own today, a little solo mission. But yeah, obviously I'll keep you updated as we go, show you what I see. Hopefully you enjoy the video. It's cracking weather today, so we're winning. And also I just got given a drone, so we're going to have a play with that and see how we get on. Got a drone, so I'm just playing with that today. My mum and dad got me that for my birthday, and it is proper cool. It's really easy to control, to be honest, but yeah, I'm just taking it steady because I don't really know what I'm doing. But it is the middle of the week, so not a single cloud in the sky, and the drone's loving it, and I'm loving the drone, so it's good fun. I haven't really got that far yet because I've been playing about, but it's all good. Making our way across the top of the ridge now. I can see a couple of wild horses in the distance, loads of birds. It's been very peaceful today, much needed. That's a hell of a track though, I swear. It takes it out of you. I haven't been doing it as much, so I'm not as fit as I was. I'm still doing it, so it's all good. We've got a fair old distance to go yet. We shall keep keeping on, as they say. I've actually seen one person, old lady walking up the ramp. She's going the opposite way though, so we'll have to see who gets back to the car first. She said she's going the opposite way, so I'll try and meet her. But to be fair, she looked like she was doing better than me, to be honest. I'm not going to win that one. I'm just going to way down this path, and then I'm hoping there's another path which I can cut off to the right, and I think I've got to go through some little woodland bit, and then I'll be back at the car. I'm just making my way back down now on the path. It's a bit of a steep one, this, so got to go steady. The ground's solid, so we'll be alright. That's pretty cool. I guess that's for the sheep to feed. We just got to make our way down there. But I'm just going to sit here and have a little something to eat. But the views are pretty. The views are absolutely incredible. So this morning we've hiked all the way up this ridge, just over in the distance. That's called the Dragon's Back. I think it's 3 mountain peaks altogether. I'll put all the information in the description. We went around there, up, back round, and down. And now we're just making our way through this. That was kind of awkward. I just walked into someone's barn. But he sent me out the right way now, so I have to keep an eye on the map, because I haven't been this way before. But I'm gonna just walk up here, and then in a minute there's another little mountain hike thing, and there's an old fort up there. I think there's some old remains and stuff, so that's going to be my last little mission of the day, and then I'll be back at the car, and then I can go home and have a nice cup of tea. Yeah, this is the right way. This is where we're going. Onwards and upwards. We're not too far from the castle. I think it's a castle, to be honest. It's so hot. I'm literally baking out here. But we are not too far from it. I'm hoping that I've got enough battery on the drone to get a little shot, but whether I have or not, I don't know. Oh, we've got a little bit of way to go yet. Yeah, I've literally seen one person and a farmer, because I walked on his farm. It's been good today. Really, really, really good. I'm much needed. Found the zen. We've just gone up there, and now we're just going to go up here. That's the information. God, this is steep, this one. Oh, why have I done this? This is it now, my last little bit. I just follow this all the way straight and I hit directly back at the car. It's been a mission, to say the least. Let's have a look, see how far we've done. So far I've done 12k. So I'll probably get about 13. My legs are feeling it, I can say that. There's all the sheep enjoying the shade, hiding from the sun. Yeah, this one in front of you, I climbed this before. I forget the name of it, but that's a good hike as well. All around here is really good, to be fair. You ain't gonna be disappointed. It's really important that people get out and about and really look after themselves and try and find positives in the world. There's a lot of stuff going on that we can't control, and it's hard when situations come like that, and the only thing we control is our own minds and how we approach things. So that's what I'm doing lately. That's why I get out and about, that's why I do these hikes. Right, I'm back at the car. I'm just about to drive home. That was a hell of a trek. Well worth doing. A little bit gutted because I've lost my t-shirt, but I don't want to go back. This could be anywhere. So if anyone finds it, does this hike, hit me up and send it to me. But yeah, we're good. And I'm going to end it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe and all that good stuff. Cheers.